2023-11-25. Myanmar for a day. Thailand, across. Our drivers are in sync, it's fast as they closely follow meandering along the main road, as we approach the junction where she works from early morning to late evening. She quickly hurries between the cars, behind the wheel are newly awake motorists. She herself is old enough to retire soon in most European countries, her colleague, probably her relative, young enough to still have to go to school, runs in sync with the old woman. Their risk-taking is not matched by their income. Our driver, who is now the last in the motorcade, waves through the roll-down window and calls the woman's attention. The deal goes quickly and the woman quickly rushes between the cars. It takes a few seconds, but our driver soon realizes that his good deed ended up being a scam. He counts the change one last time, sighs lightly, then continues driving. Me, an English woman and the majority of Russians will spend the next 14 hours together in 2 minibuses, taking us halfway across the country, one way, to cross the border. This is one of 2 ways to renew the right to stay in the country as a tourist. It's an interesting time to be in Thailand, a lot is different. The past, the worn that sings on the last verse, meets the modern and new and creates a great contrast. At the same time, they build new things in a traditional way, pragmatic but not at all beautiful to look at. A blissful mess but oh so beautiful. Woman as man, civilian, military, state whatever form of motorcade it is, you never break it. You can almost hear a hissing sound as the other passengers are delighted to have their expectation of payback answered by the both drivers the closer we get to the intruder. Someone is about to learn the hard way. The leading car keeps pace and we slide forward at good speed tight behind, like VIP. Close between trucks, quick change of positions etc. But it happens, an unknowing motorist takes advantage of our driver's mistake when he loses the distance to the vehicle in front. It's like in the Middle Ages when you found a lawless. The whispers quickly turn into chants of demands for lynching, the safety of the herd has been threatened, so pitchfork and rope, almost like a native instinct. There is a magnificent herd mentality around this phenomenon around group runs, I speak from my own mouth. Intruding on a motorcade conveys such intense contempt that I don't think I've seen it anywhere else before. One thing that unites people without questions, breaking a motorcade. We have just received our tour passes for the trip when a girl speeds up on her moped. The tour guide is already sweating and suffering in the cool morning breeze and we get ready to depart. The glimpse I get of the girl on the moped arouses a strong curiosity for her character. In terms of volume, she doesn't take up much space, but she definitely has bigger balls than many I've met. She does not thrust herself into the center of overweight, sweaty men with poise. They give her space and it's not hard to see why. Her posture is straight, elegant in street manners. Nice and clean but still rough and somehow elegant, hard and strangely hardened by both the short time and high tempo. In the corner of her mouth is a home-rolled cigarette that looks like something you see in a movie from Russian prisons. Young enough to still believe she is immortal but old enough to have stopped counting her scars.